How to make jam on Spotify. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make jam on Spotify. To make jam on Spotify refers to creating a collaborative playlist where multiple users can contribute songs similar to jamming session. Here's how you can create a collaborative playlist. First of all, you'll need to open your Spotify application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, head over to your library section. Tap on your library icon at the bottom, and once you reach your library, here tap on the plus button at the top right. Once you tap on it, now at the bottom you will need to tap on this playlist. Here you will need to create the playlist, give a name to your playlist, and then tap on this create button right here to create a playlist. Once you have created a playlist, now you can add songs to it. When you scroll down below, you will be able to see the recommended songs. You may also tap on refresh in order to refresh the songs. And to add the songs, you will need to tap on this plus button at the right side of the song, and then it will be added to your playlist. Once you have added them, now you can make this playlist collaborative by inviting friends. Tap on this human icon next to the arrow facing downward icon, and here you can use any social media in order to invite your friends to your Spotify playlist. Once you have done that, you need to tap on those three dots next to the playlist, and then here select start a jam. But before starting a jam, make sure you have subscribed to the premium version of Spotify. Creating jam is available only on the premium version of Spotify. You may subscribe to any one of these premium based on your preference, and once you do that, you and your friends can add songs to your playlist and jam together on Spotify. So by following these steps, you should be able to make jam on Spotify. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.